Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. I wanted to share the videos on some other cryptocurrencies, but there are some very important developments on the Stellar's chart. Therefore, I'm just going to post another video. And very important, the most important thing is that it has broken out this resistance of the bull flag that I shared in my previous video. And at the end of this video, I'll again share the complete buying and sell targets, the long-term buying and sell targets that I shared at the Patreon on 19th of June, and that was the formation of a very big bullish cipher. First of all, let me just show you this weekly time frame chart, and here we have already seen that the price action has a very nice bounce by this very strong key support level that is 20 cents, and after getting bounced from here, it is trying to break out the next resistance at 28 cents, and after breaking out 28 cents, the next resistance will be here at 35 cents, then 45 cents, then 55, and then we have this very strong resistance at 70 cents as well, because previously the price action after this rally was rejected by this resistance, moved up again, and again had another very powerful rejection and moved all the way down at this very strong key level support of 20 cents that has been working as a very strong resistance here, and this time it was working as a support, and here it has been working as a support as well. And if we take a look at the next resistance that the price action is trying to break out at this time, this 28 cents, previously it has been working as a support here and as a support here as well. Therefore, it can again work as a strong resistance. However, I'm expecting that this time it can break out this resistance. Therefore, this breakout from this ascending triangle, that is in fact a bull flag as well, is very important. I'll show you why. Now, if we take a look at the different simple moving averages, then the price line is trying to break out the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. And if it will be able to break out the 50 weekly simple moving average, then you can see this is the 25 simple moving average moving to the downside. Then the price action can imminently move up to 25 simple moving average, and our next resistance, for example, if the price action will also break out this 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame, then it will be a very great support for the price action, and it can be easily, the price action can easily break out the next resistance levels of 35, 45, and 55 cents as well, because this is the long-term chart, the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame previously we have seen after crossing up the 50 simple moving average here, when the price action was approximately at 7 or 8 cents, it rallied up to 80 cents, and you can see that the 50 simple moving average started lifting the price action towards the upside. And same act, the 50 simple moving average can repeat again after crossing down the candlesticks, and when the candlesticks will have a strong support of the 50 simple moving average. Now let me just show you two very important reasons flashed on the chart that I wanted to share with you in today's video. And these reasons can be very supportive and useful for the price line to break out this 50 simple moving average. One is we are just receiving a bull cross between the exponential moving averages 10 and 21 after a long time period. You can see here we received this death cross or bear cross between these two exponential moving averages on the daily time frame on 20th of May, and after that these two EMAs were not able to form a bull cross again, because this whenever this smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that is a bullish signal, especially between the EMA 10 and 21 on the daily time frame. And now the candlesticks have crossed up the EMA 10 and 21 on the daily time frame. And at the same time, on the weekly time frame, if we take a look at the MACD indicator, the stochastic oscillator, then stochastic was oversold, and now it is turning bullish. It is moving towards the upside. Therefore, I'm expecting that this bull cross is genuine, and from here we can expect a very big rally, because the stochastic on the weekly time frame at one side will start moving towards the upside from the oversold to the overbought. And at the same time, the EMAs will lift the price action towards the upside, like previously after this bull cross these two EMAs did. And the second thing is this bull flag that I shared with you in my previous video. And on the 4-hourly chart, the price action formed this ascending triangle, and here the price line has broken out the resistance, and right now we are watching a retest of the previous resistance of this ascending triangle as a support. This is the first confirmation for the breakout. Now, if we will have the 4-hourly time frame, a 4-hourly candlestick closing above this level, that is 28.5, and after the breakout, if we take a look at the targets according to this triangle, then our next target can be, if we take the measurement from this tail of the triangle up to this support and place it here at the tip of this triangle, at the resistance of this triangle, then our next target, the imminent short-term target, can be approximately 30 cents. But you can see that here the price action has also formed this bull flag as well. So as per the bull flag target, the price action in the immediate short term imminently can move. If I place this trend line here, and I'm going to show you what can be our next target. Our next target can be here, that is 34.5 cents. And that will be a really imminent move. And when the price action will be moved here, then definitely it will also break out the weekly 50 SMA as well. Because at this time, the weekly 50 SMAs are at our next price level resistance, that is at 28 cents. So at the same time, the price action is breaking out the 28 cents resistance and the simple moving average, the 50 simple moving average as well. Let me place this 50 simple moving average here on this chart. Then we can see at the same time the price line is breaking out both resistance levels, but this smaller time frame chart can help the price action to break out on the bigger time frame, because here the price action has already broken out this bull flag, and the next target of this bull flag is approximately 34.5. You can say 35 cents. So it can reach imminently in at the next resistance of 35 cents. Now let's take a look at the long-term targets that I have already shared at the Patreon. That was on 19th of June. Let me just show you these targets as well. And that was a perfect bullish cipher pattern on the weekly time frame. And if we take a look at the targets of this weekly bullish cipher pattern, then the sell targets can be from 44.3 cents to 67.5 cents. However, I'm expecting that after such a big bullish reversal from this cipher, the price action can easily try to make another attempt to break out this 70 cents resistance level. So this is very important time. At this time, these movements are really very important. The price action has just broken out this bull flag and retesting the previous resistance as a support. Now let's see if it will start a bullish move from here. Then definitely it can break out the 50 weekly simple moving average. And after having 50 weekly simple moving average as a support again, it can start a very long-term bullish move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.